Good morning, children. Today we will do exercise 11.2 from NCERT book. We have already explained in the video that area of a parallelogram and area of a triangle. Here we are summarizing it again. Area of a parallelogram, base into height square unit. Whatever the area, whenever we are finding any area, it will be square unit. Unit will be always square unit. Unit means centimeter, meter, whatever it is, but before that you have to write square when you are finding area. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, half into base into height. In short, half into b into h. Half bh means b for base and h for height. Square unit again because you are again finding the area. So area of a triangle and area of a parallelogram. The formula I have given with a star mark. Whenever you will practice this sum, you must go through the formula whatever is given here. Why these formulas are coming, you will come to know afterwards. But now you know that area of a triangle, half base into height, area of a parallelogram, base into height. Now, question number 1, find the area of each of the parallelogram. Few drawing I have already drawn here. I have few figures, A, C and E. Same, all the sums are same more or less. So we will do the first one. Find the area of each of the parallelograms. First parallelograms, what is here? Here the base is 7 and height is 4 centimeter. One thing you have to know here, when the perpendicular sign, that 90-degree sign is there, that means the perpendicular drawn on that base means here it is 7 centimeter. On the base of 7 centimeter, height is drawn. The length of the height is 4 centimeter. Understood? Sometimes you will see that corresponding base. Corresponding base means the base on which the perpendicular is drawn. Now the base and height is given, so it is easy for you to find the area. You know the area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So base is 7 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. What unit you will write? Square centimeter. 4 7 ja 28 square centimeter. Done? 28 square centimeter, very easy for you. But what you are understanding here only how to use the formula to find the area of a parallelogram. Multiplication, how to find multiplication is not the purpose here. Here the purpose is to using formula we are finding the area of a given parallelogram. So here also the area of the parallelogram, area equal to base into height. Base 2.5, area height 3.5 square centimeter, 3.5 square centimeter. The result is 875 square centimeter. 2 decimal places you have to put because one for here and one from here, 1 2 places after from right side, 2 places you will give the decimal number. So 8.75 square centimeter. Next one is same only, but see the drawing. Here the perpendicular is drawn on this base. The base is 2 centimeter. On this base 4.4 height is drawn. So you have to find the area of this parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram, area equal to base into height. Always write the formula first, then put the value. Base to 4.4 square centimeter. Unit is square centimeter, you have to write. So after that 4.4 into 2 means 8.8 square centimeter. Understood? Now we have to find out the area of a triangle. Area of the given triangles. Question number 2. Find the area of the following triangles. Triangles are given here. One question number A. Here the base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So therefore the area of the triangle is, when the figure is given, I am not writing area of the triangle. When the figure was given before, here there also I have not written parallelogram, because the drawing is there and we are doing under that diagram, under that geometrical figure, so I am not writing. If you want to write, it will be much better. Now area of a triangle, half into base into height, half base into height. So what is half? Base is 4 centimeter here and height 3 centimeter. So what you will write? Square centimeter. Why this square centimeter is coming? Because 1 centimeter is for 4 and 1 centimeter is for 3. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. This 2 centimeter unit also multiplied becomes square centimeter. Cancel it. 2. Now 6 square centimeter. Understood? Next sum. Look at the figure following given triangles. 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Each two sides, adjacent sides, are perpendicular to each other. That means it is a right triangle. These two sides are perpendicular to each other, so it is a right triangle. When it is a right triangle, no need to find out which one is height, which one is base. You can take any one is base and any one is as height. So area of the triangle, half base into height. What is half into 4 into height? If you cancel it 2, that is 6 square centimeter. Square centimeter. Understood? Next sum. In the next sum, it is an obtuse angle triangle. One obtuse angle triangle is given here. D. See from your book. The triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Its height is outside of the triangle. No matter the base, you will draw the perpendicular in the produced base. You will get the height of the triangle, and the base is given 3 centimeter. This portion is 3 centimeter. So in the same way, you will find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. This is the symbol of triangle. Area of triangle, half into base into height, half into 3 into 2 square centimeter. Again the unit is centimeter here, so it will be square centimeter. Now 2 cancelled out, it will be 3 square centimeter. Understood? Now now I will give you chart. From that chart you can do the remaining sums. 1 or 2 I will show you now, and the remaining you can do by your own. Okay.